Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. Ginger, the root solution for so many ailments. Be it digestive distress, colds or a chronic cough, ginger can cure it all. But ginger has its limitations too. Its benefits are not for everyone. Yes. This natural form of medication is no less than a health hazard for people with certain conditions. If you are suffering from any of these, you need to stop using ginger now. Number 1. People on certain medication. For people on medication for diabetes and high blood pressure, ginger is a big no. Drugs like beta blockers, anticoagulants, and insulin can be very harmful when combined with ginger. Ginger helps with blood thinning and lowers blood pressure, both of which can go wrong with these medications. Number 2. Underweight people. Ginger is essentially known as the root solution for weight loss. It regulates the digestive enzymes in the stomach and reduces your appetite, which leads to weight loss. But for people who already are underweight, there are repercussions. People who already are undernourished and have a low body mass index can experience a lot of appetites, hair loss, and vitamin deficiencies. Women may even experience menstrual irregularities. So if you wish to gain weight, eliminate ginger from your diet. Number 3. Pregnancy. Though during the initial weeks of extreme morning sickness and weakness, ginger can help moms to reduce the discomfort, it is strictly forbidden during the last trimester. Taking ginger during the last trimester of pregnancy can induce premature contractions and labor. Number 4. People with blood disorders. Hemophilia is a rare condition which prevents the ability of the blood to clot. Though blood clots can be risky in some conditions, it is still important for the body. Loss of an ability to clot can lead to excessive bleeding due to a minute cut or injury, where ginger is recommended for people to improve blood circulation in the body. People with hemophilia may actually suffer severe hemorrhage due to increased blood circulation in the body. It may even nullify the effects of some life-saving medication. If you still possess that love for the amazing flavors of ginger, here's a list of foods which can be a good substitute for this flavorful root. Nutritionists recommend red paprika, cayenne pepper and sweet peppers in place of ginger. They will surely provide your food that kick of flavor which ginger used to. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as